Hello and welcome back to Let's Talk by George. In today's video, we are going to review a ROM called Project Radiant. Yes, that is right. We have booted the Project Radiant onto our beloved Wins, and the ROM is being compiled by our friend Ghostmaster. The ROM is really nice. Honestly speaking, it's really good. Look at the app launching speed. It's a nice ROM and it's a smooth ROM. So let us begin our review by looking at the system specification first. Let's go to About Phone. As you can see, the About Phone is having a new user interface. The speciality with the Project Radiant is it's having a different user interface layout. The developers of Project Radiant did a wonderful job in redesigning the default Android 12 user interface. Their earlier versions with the Android 11 was also really good. It was great. It was a great ROM. And let's click on Android version and try to see the security patch information. The security patch is January 5th, 2022. And as you can see, it's using the latest Unitrix kernel, which is wonderful. So let's come back to the home page again and try to see what launcher it's using. So basically, as you can see, it's using a quick step launcher. You don't get a lot of customization, but some customizations are there. Then coming back again, let's have a look if we get pixel widgets. Yes, we do have. So here we are. Let us enable this analog clock over here. Fine, so that's very nice, isn't it? And even with the quick settings, they have kept the default layout for the quick settings, so they didn't touch anything for quick settings. If you want to change the tiles, definitely there are a lot of Magisk modules available in the Telegram groups, and you can use that if you wish to, or keep it as stock, which is fine. The ROM version is unofficial and it's a GApps version, so you will get Google Dialer. Unfortunately, you won't get Google recording on Google Dialer. Then coming to the app drawer, these all are the applications that you get default with the ROM. I've not installed Magisk, I just installed a screen recorder. Just want to record the screen. So apart from the screen recorder thing, you get these applications and you even get a FM radio, which I cannot check because I don't have good radio coverage in my area. Now secondly, you might be thinking why I don't have a SIM network. So basically, the reason why I'm not having a SIM network is because I don't have a SIM card in Wins. So basically, Wins doesn't have a SIM card. That's the reason why it's not having network indicator. Can it connect to Wi-Fi? Yeah, the ROM has no other issues. Apart from the fact that in the change log, it was mentioning something about VLITE, VILTE. So it's the video calling through the carrier thing. So that is the bug that they were speaking about. So the default file manager that you have is the Google Files. So you're not getting the old file manager. What else do we have over here? We have some useful apps pretty much. You get calendar, calculator, Google Maps, photos, etc. etc. So pretty much it's really good application that you are getting. You cannot complain that the ROM is being bloated. So let's go to the settings page, and as you can see, the settings page, the entire user interface is really good. This is something that we need. Even the Android people, they didn't think of making such a beautiful user interface. How beautiful it is. Take a look. It's really beautiful, and the card type of layout is really fantastic. I'm not sure what name they are calling it, but it's really great. And let's have a look if we have some customization with the volume panel. Unfortunately, we don't have any customization for the volume panel. And plus on top of that, let's take by one option. So basically it's just the settings home page that you're having different layout, and once you click on different functions, you can see that it is having the default layout. Anyway, why should I complain? Still I have something something very nice. And thanks to Ghostmaster for compiling the ROM for wins, and plus on top of that, the developers of Project Radiant for bringing up such a wonderful ROM. Well, a couple of questions that people might be asking is how stable the ROM is. All I can say that the ROM doesn't have that much amount of customization. Normally, customization do make ROM buggy or do have some certain issues. I'm not talking about all ROMs, but in some ROMs you may have. But what I feel like is it's pretty much stable. It's stable ROM, and there we don't have any serious bugs or something like that. I haven't noticed anything like that. Then the scrolling and up launching, as I've shown to you, is pretty much smooth, and the Ghostmaster has tried to optimize his trees, so basically you get nice performance with the ROM. And regarding the battery backup, so people might be asking, what about the battery backup? Well, I do not know. I didn't use the ROM for very long time, so I cannot really tell you how the battery backup is. And please make a note, I cannot, or if you ask someone about a ROM's battery backup, he or she cannot give you an exact idea, because their usage and your usage is going to vary. So basically, I cannot really comment on battery backup. I would suggest you try the ROM. So that is the suggestion that I have. And under the wallpapers, of course, you get themed icons, but I guess it is the issue of the launcher. The theme icons doesn't get applied. It's not a big deal. So that is about the themed icon, and let's have a look about the wallpapers. You get on-device wallpaper, this default wallpaper, or else you might have to save something on your SD card and apply it, whatever that is. So what else do we have over here? Let's go to system and try to see gestures if we get any more customization. No, we don't have. So basically the ROM is pure and it doesn't have customization so far. Maybe they are trying to add or something like that. I'm not sure about it, but overall the ROM is really great and it's really good. And you get in under screen lock, you just get a screen lock and pixel imprint, which is the fingerprint option, and there is no face unlock. One thing that I've noticed is this ROM doesn't have a network speed indicator. If you don't care about it, no worries. If you want to install a network speed indicator, definitely you can do that, and I have made a review on a wonderful app, a network speed indicator app, and I will post the link in the description below. If you wish to see it, you can see it and install the network speed indicator onto your mobile phone. That's a really nice app. I'm not promoting, but it's a really nice app. So these all are the informations, or this is all how the ROM looks like. I mean, the ROM is really great. And one question that you might ask, is it good for gaming? Well, I don't play games, and plus on top of that, Wins is getting old, so you can expect some performance lag, because modern updated games do require modern kind of processors and the chipset, so maybe a little bit laggy and stuff like that. So that is about the Project Radiant review. What is my final verdict? I really love Project Radiant, and I have used Project Radiant from Android 11. It was an unofficial version. I really love this ROM. So this is the same review or feedback. I just want to tell you about Project Radiant. It's a wonderful ROM, and you get modded user interface, which looks really nice than of the stupid stock one. I mean, blame Android for that, Android people for that. And you get some nice user interface in settings and about phone, which again is really good. So it's your take. You can definitely try the ROM. The ROM is stable and the ROM is really good. And again, thanks to Ghostmaster for compiling the ROM for Wins, and many thanks to you for watching the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any future updates, and do not forget the bell icon in case if you forget to check the channel back, and maybe we post some interesting stuff. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.